So if you are looking to find some inspiration for your dropshipping store, or if you want to see what other people are searching in your niche, or what people selling overall with their dropshipping stores, then I think I found a really good tool for you. So here you can see we can filter by the different dropshipping providers, Shine, Themo, Shopify, Shopify. This is the category, but also, of course, you will find all these products on AliExpress. For example, if you have a dropshipping store with WooCommerce, for example, and you import the products from AliExpress, then you find the product definitely on AliExpress as well. But here you can see, for example, these specific products that are doing really well for other people or other dropshipping stores. For example, here you can see woman side tank top. You can see sale trends. And also you have all these different filtering options here. You can filter by countries, by trending articles, niche, revenue, new arrival, then the price. You can filter by price, by the categories, everything. You can browse all these and find inspiration. And then the cool thing is here you will find all these ad creatives. So what people are looking, or what ads people are producing to sell these products, you can find this here. You can see here all these ad creatives on Facebook. So they are selling this product on Facebook. And when we click here, then we only see the image. But I think you can click on original post. Then you click here on original post, and then you will get redirected to Facebook or to the actual ad. And this ad is doing really well for them. So this is good. But you get the idea. You can see all the ad creatives, and also you can see. Let me see, where is video? Here you can see ad type, video, image, or all. Let me click here on video so that we can see and search now, that we can see the video ads. You can see some video ads that are performing really good for them. And then we also have store research. Let me go back here. And also, of course, if you're creating ads, and especially video ads, so I think video ads are doing really well. So then you have the options to let it create, or to search for existing ads, videos from the specific product, and then reuse them. Or, of course, you will order the product, the sample product, and then create the videos yourself, what I would recommend. So the best thing is that if you want to sell, I don't know, what you want to sell this phone case here, this iPhone phone case, then simply order one product and then make the video ads yourself. I think this is the best, and show everyone how good this phone case is. And the same goes if you are in the pet niche, for example, then you buy the specific product and then test it out with your dog and show everyone how good this product is, make your own video ads. So then we have here store research. So if you want to have some inspiration, what other people are doing, and here you can see under store research we have all these different stores. You can filter them. Here you can see you can filter them by the country, info, Facebook, Instagram, visitors, categories, and so on and so forth. So what's Decathlon? Okay. Let me click on one. What's this? Earplugs. I think this is always trending. So, and here you have all the information about the store, how much traffic the store will get per month, and the duration, the technology that's on Shopify. Yeah, and then of course here you can see all the products that they are selling. Then simply copy the product names, go to AliExpress, find the product, and then import the product into your store. And we can copy this. Menu tab. And then you can visit their store, and then you can accept. And then, so this is of course a really good, relatively simple store, a simple design, simple layout, and then you can easily recreate it with WordPress and WooCommerce. This is really cool. So, but you get the idea how you can find products, how you can find new product ideas, the ad creatives, and then inspiration. Also you have keyword research, and I will put the link to this tool in the video description down below. So go to the video description, and there you will find the link to this tool. This is a paid tool, but you have to pay once for this tool, and then you get access, lifetime access. But this tool is really, really cool. So make sure to check out this tool. And if you want to find some inspiration, if you find trending articles or trending dropshipping ideas, then I think this tool is really good, and you can find some inspiration with this tool. So I think that's it for the video. Make sure to visit the tool and check them out. And also, if you found the video informative, please press the thumbs up button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also support me on Patreon. And then, thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.